Hi team, Ashwin here, co-founder and CEO of CustomFit.ai. Today, let me take you through how easily you can go and set up the template level A/B testing on Shopify with few clicks. Okay, and within a minute or two, you can able to go and launch that experiment. All right, let me take you through that step-by-step procedure. Please follow me here. Okay, so as you know, CustomFit is a no-code A/B testing and website personalization platform, especially built for the Shopify e-commerce brands. Right. So let me take you through that thing one. Okay, so first of all, okay, go and install the CustomFit app from the Shopify store. You just go and search CustomFit Shopify A/B testing. You will find the first entry here. Right, just go and install the CustomFit app from the store. And once you install it out, right, it will take you to the dashboard. It's a one-click integration. So let's go to the dashboard. Okay, let's go to the experience engine here. Now let's go and create one experiment. Okay, experiment is nothing but here we are trying to tell that, look, I want to personalize or A/B test for the segment of audience or this percentage of audience and the way you want, right? Let me just give some name. Let's say experience template A/B test, right? Let me create. Now you see it's asking me, okay, tell me what pages you want to personalize or A/B test here, right? In case of template level A/B testing, it's for entire web page, right? You better select the entire pages for here, okay, and click on add. Okay. Now next thing, let me go and create the variation we call behavior. Let's say assume that I am on doing a template, template product A, right? Say this is the template I want to test it, right? Just name something. That's any name is fine. It's just a variation name there. Now let me go and click the visual editor. Okay. So this is where actually the magic happens. In the sense, okay, this is where you will have the options to go and choose what template or theme you want to go and select, right? So let this thing load. And by the time I will take you through the Shopify side of the thing. Now, you see in my Shopify, right, for example, under the products thing, I have a bunch of the themes. One is, okay, the default product theme. Another thing is, the, let's say, this is the SG new template theme, right? If you see, they're technically different. For example, if you see in SG new theme, you have this video section over here, a bunch of the other sections and all, right? Now, if I go back to the default theme, you feel the difference. See, there is a look and feel also. There is a change over here, right? Now assume that, okay, for the for the products thing, I want to switch to the template. I want to showcase the SG new template. I want to do the A/B testing across these two things. Okay, let me go back to the editor portion. If you see, when you click on this thing, right, under this thing, you will find bunch of the various tests you can seamlessly do with the custom fit. One of the tests is the template level A/B testing, right? Select the template level A/B testing, right? Here, okay, go and select the template type. What kind of the template level? It's a product collection homepage and all, right? In this case, let me, as an example, pick up the product thing. Okay. Now here is asking, okay, what theme? Okay, under what theme, what template you want to toggle? Okay, let me select the live theme. Okay, and the other thing is, okay, here now once I select it out, it shows you those templates what you have created under the product type, right? And for this, I will select the new thing, right? Whatever I showed you in the Shopify dashboard, right? Same thing I'm selecting. Okay? If you see, there is one small requirement over here is you need to go and add this particular snippet into theme dot in your theme file, liquid.theme file. Okay, you just copy paste it out and put it into your liquid.theme file. Okay, so yeah, now let me just save it out, finalize and exit. Now let's go and add the variations, right? The rollout thing. If you see, as I said, right, custom bit comes with the, whether it's a default rollout, I mean, basically across the audience segment or for a specific audience segment, right? The default means for across the audience segments, right? For your entire traffic. So I can go and do, like, for example, 20% I want to show the default one, which is nothing but control one. 20% I want to showcase this variation, right? The way I want, I can go and split it out. So I'm selecting 50-50. Okay. Let's go and do this thing, right? Let me save the changes. Assume that not for the entire traffic, but you wanted for a specific segment of audience, right? And instead of the default rollout, you should have selected the audience segment, where you can go and create audience segment using various combinations. Which can be campaign parameters, new versus repeat devices, technology. It gives you a lot of in-depth thing, right? For this, let me show you one simple thing. Let's say campaign parameter. If the UTM campaign is one of, let's say, test ABC, then okay, I can go and say which template they want to say. They want to say the default one template product A. I can do a percentage rollout, right? Where I can split the traffic and do the way I want, right? Since actually I'm selecting this thing for the demo thing, the default one, right? So I will just remove this thing out. Okay, let me save it. Okay, now next is to go and add the goals. You see, whenever you're running any A/B testing, you need to add goals, right? Based on that goals only, you will determine okay which one is the winning variation, right? In customer, you can create the entire funnel of the goals. Like for example, let me go to add to cart over here. Let's say I want to add the 80s as my goal, add to cart as my goal, right? Let me select Shopify. Let me go and select the product added to cart as a goal, right? Here you will find different things. Okay, whether you want to see how many unique people, how many people did add to cart, or how many times the add to cart been done, right? Or even actually you can do the sum on a specific event property of that thing, like for example product value and all, right? For this thing, let me select unique, and create it up, right? Like this I can add various other goals. Let's say I want to add a revenue goal, right? Let me select Shopify. Let me select the domain thing, and let's say everything is checkout completed, right? Here I can say how many people purchased, or okay, how many times this product been purchased, or okay, I can go and add this thing also, like sum. I want to do the sum on the product price so that you will get the revenue out, right? In case if you want not for the entire product set, you want for a specific product IDs only you want to do, then you can add further rules. Like say if the product ID is one of right, something only, if this is matching, then only consider this thing under the goal thing, right? You can also add the rules over there to filter out those, right? For this demo, let me keep it very simple. Let me just add the revenue as a goal, right? As simple as that. Let me just go and power on the experience. The moment I power it on, experience goes live. When I power it off, it goes off. It's as simple as that, right? Let's go and do a live check. Okay, let's go to directly seeing that thing out. Okay, so now if I go to this particular page, I should be seeing, see, I saw this particular template, right? A new one with a video and all, right? It's just as simple as that thing, right? Now if I go back to the dashboard, I can go and verify various goals and all. How many people seen in each of these behaviors? What's the goal conversion and all? Say I'm doing add to cart over here. Okay, let's go back and click and check it. Right? It will show you that hey, there's 1% visited and 1% add to cart, right? You see, is the entire funnel, and you can go and analyze it out. Along with that, CustomFit also integrates with a lot of different platforms like GA4 or Microsoft Clarity and all those things. If you're already using that as your source of truth, you can directly see that thing out. And also CustomFit sends the information back to the Shopify thing, where on the Shopify dashboard also you can see differentiation of which order came related with respect to what experiences and all, right? Yeah, that's the simple thing. Like how I showed you a live example to create and run the theme level A/B testing under a couple of minutes, right? It's pretty simple, in that way. Feel free to connect to our team. They will take you through the platform. They will give a personalized demo, and also we have a 14-day free trial. I see it's one of the easy to use solutions out there, and we provide the support out there. Okay. Yeah, thank you.